Good morning! Happy Friday! So I'm going to start my day. I actually started my day with my tea and shake, but right now I'm going to go clean my house. And it's already 12 o'clock. Oh, I didn't even know that. It's already 12. I'll clean my house real quick. And see you guys then. I'm going to make lunch right now and let me take out everything. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I have a boiled chickpea over here, just plain boiled. I'm going to be making it with some onion, tomato, green chili, kind of not a very curry, not a curry, but it's kind of a thick kind of like just so that we can have the chickpeas. So it's nice flavors and everything. So that is what I'm going to make for lunch really quickly. And in my bowl, I'm going to add some kale also and then chickpeas, but mine is going to have just the chickpeas. It is definitely a beautiful day right now. So I had a little headache, so I was very out from morning. I was doing just my work, cleaning up the house and everything, and yeah, we just cleaned the houses, cleaning up our plants. So what we did was, let me show you real quick. I actually just took bath right now and came, and I'm going to go get my eyebrows and my upper lip done. Mawal, come on, let's go inside. Come on, let's go inside. So let me show you. So you guys know that we already had that plant over there, and this plant was outside in our like entrance. So we cleaned them up and brought them inside because I think we feel that they'll grow better over here because they're getting good sun over here. So yes, our patio is looking like really green and nice. And this was like a big plant, it was dying, so we cut them and like planted in a small plant. Hopefully it'll start to grow again. We're just trying this. And yeah, it's day 3 for my green chilies plant, and they did not come out yet. My dad said it will take around 10 to 15 days, so I'm waiting for that. But otherwise, yeah, that's it. And this guy is over here. He's not allowed to come in the patio today because we gave medicine to these plants. So, but still he's here. I mean, he's just sitting in that area. Right, baby? You're so cute. Are you enjoying the sun? Come on, let's go inside. So it's hot outside, but it's nice and good. Anyways, so hold on. Let me do a little bit of work. It's going to be 1 month. After 1 month, I'm gonna go and get my upper lip, like my eyebrows and my upper lip done. Almost a month. Oh my God, it's gonna pain like crazy today. So my wallet. And yes, I'm ready. Mayank is also off work, so we're going out. It's just for this work. We'll just go come back real quick. We don't really have any other work to do. Marvel, can you please come inside? Mommy and Daddy are going out for some time and we'll come back really quick. So come on, let's go. Come inside. Look at him. He's watching me from there, but he doesn't want to come inside. Come here. Come inside. Please. I have to give him a treat and then bring him inside. Come on, let's go inside. Mommy and Daddy are going. So we'll come back soon. The faster we go, the faster we come back, right? Come on. But Daddy's calling good boy. So we don't leave him outside alone in the patio. We come back and we'll let him go again. So, but for now, we're going. Let's go.
Hello. So we are out. Tanya must have already briefed every one of you what we're gonna do. I'm driving her to Disha's eyebrow and threading clinic so that she can get herself groomed up a little, and we're gonna throw the trash on the way, and soon we won't have to do this because a valet trash service, they're gonna start it from March 1. And oh my god guys, look at this. I recently got this, like this. Oh!
What happened? Okay.
Spider. Okay, so I was showing you this. We recently got this. This is like for 18 bucks. And this goes all the way from here till all the way here. Look at this. The last two pockets of this car trunk organizer is like insulated, so you can keep cold stuff in here. And then these two are the normal ones. So this is pretty cool, and it's only for around 18 bucks or so on Amazon.
I'll throw it and then fix it.
So anyways, let's keep moving. Look who is here. Did you cry a lot?
Yes, I did. She had to stop like 4 to 5 times so that she could wipe my tears and everything. How clean do I look now? Oh my god. Yes, let's go.
Okay. So if you guys live in the area, I think this is the best place that she found. Like if you guys live in the Jupiter area, this is the best place she found. You agree?
Yeah.
So this is eyebrow and threading by Disha. Disha's eyebrow and threading and skincare. That's what it's called if you're trying to Google search it. And she is done. So we are heading back home.
We just came back from a walk with Marvel, and while Mayank is taking bath, we don't really have, I know it's Friday, but we don't really have any plan for the evening. I'm not feeling like going out. I feel very bloated, and so I don't feel like going out anywhere. I'm actually feeling very uncomfortable in my tummy, so that is why we're not going out anywhere. He's taking bath right now. I'm just gonna hold on, edit my video right now while he takes bath, and once he's back I'm gonna do something else. Let's see what. But we'll definitely have a good and delicious dinner. I don't know, whatever it's gonna be. So let's start editing for now. So yes, let's edit. And guys, thank you so much for watching all our videos, and we would really appreciate if you share our videos and subscribe and like our videos and share with your friends and family. So yep, that is it. And I finally feel so good after getting my threading done after like more than a month, and I feel alive. I feel like a human right now. I mean, it's so clean.
Okay guys, so it's dinner time. I took bath after we came back and I'm making soup for Tanya because she hasn't been feeling well. So let me show you. I'm using chicken broth to make the soup. I don't think this is hot enough. So this is the soup bowl that I got for her when I went to Puerto Rico. So I'm gonna show you guys once it comes out. And the soup is ready in this cute little bowl. So I just added some peas and corns in the soup, and that's it. And I am gonna have some leftover chickpeas with some salad and roti. So we are gonna have our dinner and see you later. So here is her soup. Let's go give her some hot soup. Careful. It is. I made with some corns and peas.
Ooh, nice. Very nice. Thank you so much.
Yes. And she is watching some Korean drama over here.
Yes.
So now let's get this cooking real quick. So it's past midnight. It's Friday, so we were up pretty late. So now we are gonna go hit the bed because if Tanya feels good, then tomorrow I plan to hit the gym and see if I can record a video for, for beginners 101 hit workout or something for the Stay Fit channel. And then let's see, we might go to one of the park to check them out. Like, there is a boardwalk by the beach, so we may go and, sorry for the shakiness. So we can go and check that out maybe tomorrow, Carlin Park or Dubai Park. So stay tuned because we haven't been there and we would love to take you guys with us. We have been to one, but we don't remember which one. So we are gonna go start exploring because Florida summers are almost here. I know technically summers start from May, but this is Florida, you never know. So anyways, it's already starting to get heat up during the days and it's cold in the nights. So yes, this is it for today's vlog and we will see you tomorrow. Good night. Bye bye.